going on, everybody? Welcome back to a new episode. In today's episode, we're going to be working on the Mini Cooper. As you guys seen in the previous video, we got a Mini Cooper, a red one, and it was a Countryman. So stay tuned, enjoy, and let's get to work. Alright, I think I'm just going to take this back off because I don't need it on right now, and I don't want to scratch it up even more. I mean, it's brand new, so I don't want to just put scratches on it. Alright, so the only other thing I have to do for the bumper is figure out the fog lights that were left in the back or in the car. It's a success. They both work. Alright, so I was looking through the inside that I forgot to mention. Let me shut the car off real quick. And I went in the glove box. Oh, something fell. And look what I pulled out, guys. A window sticker. That's awesome. I love it when they put these in here. I think everyone should do that. Just throw it in here just for if you ever sell the car or just like this purpose. I get to see how much the car was from the dealer. So, and check this thing out. It's pretty interesting. It was a, let me see what this is. It was a markup car from the dealer of Mini of Reno. It was a markup car, which is a special edition, basically with extra added on things, and it was in the showroom because I think my brother was telling me he worked at one of the dealerships nearby, and he said it whenever they had a markup, it was like a special edition car with some add-ons and stuff. And I did look through this, and it did have a whole bunch of stuff added on. See, like the dealer installed accessories, all these $225 extra, and the guy bought it. All season boot mat, the mini quart oil. So from the dealership, the guy got the car for 32 grand and $150 total, and base price was 27,850. So there's about like 5 grand of add-ons just in this car, with the roof being black, with the color red, with this screen, just a whole bunch of little stuff. The stripes on the trunk, he basically added all this stuff. All season tires. Hey, little guy. How you doing, buddy? Look at him chilling. Alright, guys, so we got one of the packages that we were waiting for. Oh man, look at all these little stamps. I don't know what's going on here, but it came from Italy, it looks like. It's so weird. It's pretty cool, actually. Bunch of stamps. I guess this is what he used to pay for it. It's pretty weird. I guess that's how they do it in Italy. But here they are, and I'm guessing these are the headlights for the Mini Cooper. So let's hope these are not damaged, since they did come from overseas. So I'm gonna take them outside to the car, and I'm gonna start taking it apart. As soon as I open up the box, let's
It's looking pretty nice so far. Let's see what we got. So this is the first headlight, which is looking pretty nice. It does have the daytime running lights. Cool. And it looks like it's all intact, all there. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a nice little upgrade. Oh, and I don't know if I mentioned, I did order the hood brand new from this website, and the shipping company, they damaged it a little bit. Like the corner was damaged in. I showed you guys earlier, and there was a few dents right here and one in the middle, more to the middle. And I did open up a claim or appeal, whatever you want to call it, for a return, and turns out they didn't want to send me another one, so they just let me have this one for free and just refunded me all the money back. So I'm pretty happy about that. I was gonna fix this one even if they refunded me like 100 or 200 bucks, but I got all my money back, which was like $500, and I got a pretty good hood in good condition, I would say. A few dings here and there, which is not a big deal at all. I can just put some glaze on it or Bondo, primer it. I'm still gonna paint it because it's black primered, so I don't mind at all. So I'm pretty happy with that. Got the hood. We might go ahead and throw it on the car right now just to see how it fits, and maybe align the headlights. Just a little mock fit. The hood looks good. A few little bends right here, but that's okay. All gonna be repaired. All right, now to test if these things work, I'm gonna go ahead and try to turn the ignition on, and we'll see if anything lights up. So let's take these off now, and we'll continue working on the hood, on the front. So it is getting pretty late on us today. We got a lot of work done. We put the hood on, we took out the bumper, disassembled it a little bit, and some other stuff that we did. But it is getting pretty late, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and hopefully we can get some more parts in the mail, and we'll go from there. So catch you guys later. All right guys, welcome back. So we pretty much got our last package in, so we're gonna do a little unboxing today, check out what we got. Hopefully we got everything in the mail. I did order a bunch of parts. They took like a month or something to come because they were coming all the way from overseas. So let's go ahead and take the boxes out. I have them inside the car, and one is right here, so let's just take them out and start unboxing and see what we got. On the car, so you guys know about that one. All right, so this is, check that out guys. So that's the front grille. Okay, so we got this now. So this is the trim, the headlight trim that goes on the hood itself. Kind of like that, it just clips in there and it looks pretty good. packing on this is pretty bad, but it is metal, so it wouldn't break. And we got the latches, the hood latches, with the cable that I needed, because see, mine is missing. The next steps are going to be just to prep the hood, prep the bumper, and start getting it ready for paint, maybe paint it soon. So yeah, catch you guys there. Alright, so I fit the locks in here. Now it's time to bolt them up and bolt this upper bracket, and then try to see if I can put the locks on and try to close the hood. Alright, so got the front end kind of assembled somewhat. Still got much more to go, but just wanted to take it for a little spin. Running really nice, no issues as of right now. Headlights work. They are aftermarket, but yeah, nothing popping up. No warning lights. That's what I was worried about the warning lights coming up for the headlights, that since they're aftermarket, but turns out it's all good. The fitment on the grill is going to be pretty much set. I'm not going to do the mock lane for the bumper right now, since the bumper is in the backyard getting ready, getting it ready for paint. So I'm going to go ahead and sand it first, get it prepped up, and then we can mock claim it, or mock fit it, see what's going on, and I think it's going to be pretty good. So far, the grill, the hood, the headlights are perfect, excellent. That's all I wanted. Yeah, soon to be done. So let's keep up the work and finish this thing up soon.